Hi everyone! Today I will show you a very easy to make recipe which everyone loves as a knickknacks or pasalubong. I am talking about the peanut brittle. So you think it's hard to do? Napakadali lang po siyang gawin. So should you wish to make this as a business, just put your heart into it and you'll surely make it big one day. The good thing about peanut brittle is all the ingredients are already available in your kitchen. So when you feel like snacking on peanut brittle, you can make it anytime. So let's dive right in. We will need 3½ cups of raw peanuts, skin on. You can also use the one with no skin. And then, kumuha po tayo ng isang tray at alisin po natin yung mga medyo may bulok-bulok or medyo imperfect peanuts. So, kasi sa bawat pakete, meron at meron po tayong makikita na hindi magandang quality na mga peanuts. Okay? So, at saka pag naisama po yun sa peanut brittle, hindi po maganda yung lasa niya. So, it is better to remove the rotten or imperfect ones. Okay? So, ayan. Na-separate na po natin. And then, ang isusunod naman po natin gawin ay ihanda po natin itong 4 na ingredients. Okay? So, maghanda ng 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of butter or 110 grams. And then, ito naman po yung peanuts, 3½ cups of peanuts na na-prepare po natin kanina. So, ang susunod naman natin gagawin, we will need to line our cookie pan with baking paper. Okay, this is very important. So, kasi paglalagyan po natin yan maya-maya, so kailangan i-prepare na po natin ngayon. At kung wala naman po kayong cookie pans or cookie sheet, handa lang po kayo ng, alam niyo po yung mga boxes, yung mga karton-karton na hindi niyo po ginagamit, pwede niyo pong gamitin iyon. So, make sure na lalagyan niyo lang po iyon ng baking paper on top. So, yung cardboard paper, okay lang po iyon na gamitin. Or much better, kung may silicone mat po kayo na napakalaki, yun po ang gamitin natin para hindi na po natin kailangan lagyan ng baking paper. Okay, next to prepare is the candy thermometer. So please invest in getting a digital candy thermometer. I think this is more accurate one. Okay, so mura lang ito. The price ranges from $5 to about $20 depending on the brand. Okay, next. So in a pan, add 3 cups of white sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and then add 1 cup of Karo light corn syrup, okay? So you can buy this one from eBay, or if you're in the Philippines, you can buy this one from Lazada or Shopee. And meron din ito sa Amazon. So just make sure that you are getting the Karo brand of a light corn syrup. Okay, switch on the flame on high to medium heat. And then bring it to a boil until it reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius. Okay, so nakalimutan ko lang haluin kanina. So once na nag-start na po siyang mag-boil, stop na po natin ang paghalo. Okay, so just leave it there undisturbed. Okay, so ayan, pag kumukulo na po siya, ilagay na po natin ang ating candy thermometer. So, make sure na yung candy thermometer, it doesn't touch the bottom of the pan. Otherwise, bibigyan niya po kayo ng false reading, okay? So, dapat nakaangat po yung yung candy thermometer. So, ayan na-reach na po niya yung 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Ilagay na po natin ang ating raw peanuts. Okay, so haluin lang po natin ng konti ang ating mga peanuts para po may equal distribution of heat po at para pantay-pantay po ang pagkakaluto ng mga peanuts. Ayan, pagkatapos na po nating haluin ang ating peanuts and syrup, So, continue boiling until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius using the candy thermometer. Usually, maghihintay ka ng from 20 minutes to 30 minutes bago ma-reach niya po yung 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Kasi po magiging brittle po ang ating peanut brittle pag na-reach po niya yung 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So, okay? So, pag na-reach na po niya yung 300 degrees Fahrenheit, is-switch off na po natin yung flame natin at this point. Okay? And then once it's switch off, we will need to add the vanilla extract, the salt, and the butter. Okay, yan po yung mga prepare po natin kanina. And then, sabi nila, once the butter is melted, doon mo lang siya hahaluin. Pero ako hindi, hinalo ko na kaagad. So, just mix it until the butter is melted. Okay, so, ganyan lang po siya kadali. Naka-switch off na po yung nito ha, yung flame nito ha. So, heto na, na-mix na po yung ingredients. And once the butter is melted, this time, i-add na po natin ang ating baking soda. And why baking soda? Because the baking soda will make our peanut brittle mixture very light and airy. Okay, so halo-haluin lang po natin ito. So, just a couple of minutes. And then, once nag-bubble na po siya, then it's ready na po. Okay, so, ayan, nagbabubbles na po siya. Nagiging very light and airy na. And then, this time, naka-switch off naman po yung ating nito ating flame. So, wala, nagkahalo-halo na lang po tayo. Okay, so once it's ready, naka-prepare naman na po ang ating cookie sheet. So, ito transfer na po natin siya. Okay? So, spread it in the prepared cookie pan. Ayan. Okay, so dalawa pong pan ang prepare po natin. So, konti lang po. So, half ng mixture dun sa kabila. Okay, we will spread the mixture very thinly. And then, hintayin lang po natin hanggang lumamig po ito ng konti or until the candy becomes stretchy. So, it is also very important to get silicone mittens, okay? As you are going to use this to spread or stretch the peanut brittle very thinly. Okay, so ganito lang po. Stretch lang po natin yung ating candy, peanut brittle candy. Ayan. Para po hindi po siya masyadong makapal. Huwag po kayong gagamit ng inyong bare hands kasi masyado po siyang mainit, nakakapaso po iyan. Okay, so always use a silicone mitten or mittens. And then, hintayin lang po natin hanggang lumamig po ang ating peanut brittle. At kapag lumamig na po ang ating mga peanut brittle, it wouldn't take that long. Saglit lang po siya na lumamig. So, isa-isahin po natin itong ika-crack. Okay, so hanggang sa maging mga small pieces na po siya. Or bite pieces. And konting paalala lang po sa mga mahilig sa peanut brittle. So, just consume moderately or eat moderately kasi sobrang nakaka-addict po talaga siya. Once you start eating it, you can't stop. Sa totoo lang po, sobrang sarap po niya. And if you're gonna ask me where I got the recipe from, it's from the Food Network website. Okay, so I think Trisha Yearwood ba yun? It's called buttery peanut brittle. And honestly, this is by far the best peanut brittle I've tasted. And sa mga nagbabalak po na gawin itong maging negosyo, just simply store it in an airtight container, or you can use this foil pouch and just put in your sticker label. And pwede rin po kayong gumamit ng bottle, plastic bottle. Okay, so this pouch, I think it can contain up to 80 grams. So, mag-weigh lang po tayo ng 80 grams and ilagay po natin sa ating foil pouch. Foil pouch ba ang tawag dito? Hindi ko alam. And the shelf life of this peanut brittle is up to 2 months. At kung ikaw ay office worker na naghahanap ng extra income, pwede mo itong gawin at ibenta sa iyong mga office mates. Okay? Or if you're a full-time mom and wanting to have an extra income as well while just staying at home and looking after the kids, you can do this as well. And you want to know a secret? Maliit lang po ang puhunan nito, pero triple ang iyong kikitain. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video at sana po ay may natutunan po kayong pangkabuhayan recipe. Ito ang peanut brittle. So thank you for watching!